Hi everybody, James G's Adventures, James G here. Today I wanted to show you guys the Lightning OTF knife and Kydex sheath from LinusSheathworks.com. Whew, that was a mouthful. So stick around. Alright guys, check this out. Now you guys probably seen the Lightning OTF knives. They're pretty budget, real good price. I got this one from grindworks.com. I bought another one for my brother, just a regular drop point blade. It's the Tanto. It's really cool. It's pretty sharp. Yeah. And the blade is about 3 1/4 inches, and the handle's about 4 1/2 inches. Very fast, very cool. I mean, there's a million reviews on these, but what I really wanted to show you guys, which I have a video on, but you know, it's kind of inexperienced at the time, and now I got a little bit more knife people and sword people. So Kydex OTF knife sheath. Sweet, man. Comes with a either paracord or a ball chain. But it's, I think you could either get the 3 or the 6. You'd have to look. But I went with the paracord instead. I put a nice little tiki on there. Yeah, great. Very, very nice sheaths from LinusSheathworks.com. Had to put the camera down because that light is messing me up here. So you can see my machete in the background. Yeah, LinusSheathworks.com, home of the rapid deployment neck sheaths. They got all colors, you know, black, blue, pink, flat dark earth, carbon fiber, cryptic, multicam, super cam, raptor, basket weave, you know, you name it. Graveyard skulls, southern battle flag, zombie green, whatever. He said if you don't see the color there, email him and he can figure it out. And of course they have sheaths for they got neck sheaths, they got fixed blade sheaths, Halo 5 sheaths, must be a type of knife or something, balisong sheaths, multi-tool sheaths, and Kydex we're talking about, OTF knife sheaths, that's what I got, edge protectors for tomahawks and axes. They even got a Bic lighter holder. I think it'll hook right onto your belt. Damn light's killing me. But they got some real cool stuff. And they got flashlight holders and baton holders in Kydex. So this guy does everything. And I can vouch for the quality. This was a good price too. Of course he charges a little bit more for, you know, the colors, maybe certain colors, you know. I think this was about 14 bucks, just regular, and then with like, let's say, multicam or cryptic or something, it would be maybe $3 more, and then maybe a little bit more for the paracord. Well, the paracord was cheaper, but I think the ball was a little bit more. Hold on, I'll show you a picture of the ball. This was the, man, this light's killing me. This is the ball chain necklace, but it doesn't come in black. I got this from survivalresources.com. I got this actually for this, but then it was kind of cheap, and if you pull it, you probably rip it. So this, just pull it, boom, deploy it quick, and it's breaking in too now. It was a lot tighter. I couldn't even pull it. But yeah, these lightning knives are really cool. A good budget, man. You can go get a Microtech or whatever. You know, you get whatever you afford. That's my motto. Whatever you can afford. You know, don't go and get something then you can't eat. You know, and you can't pay a electric bill or something. You know, I know how it is. But yeah, very cool. Very, very cool. So thank you guys for watching. I'm going to give a shout out to Choir Boys Cutlery. Very cool channel. Let you guys go check him out. Give him a sub. Very big guy with a big heart. I can tell you that. A lot of you guys are watching here, veterans, and he's very into the veterans, and it's very cool. Appreciate that. My dad's a veteran, and you know, grew up on military bases my whole life, and a lot of my friends were veterans, so I know exactly how it is. But yeah, appreciate that, and thank you guys for watching, taking a look. So, all right, see you on the next one. Take care. Alright, thank you guys for watching, I appreciate it. I got a bonus knife at the end here of the video, I'll throw it in. Nice SRK from Cold Steel. Ooh, doesn't even fit the picture, look. Whew. I love this knife. Alright guys, appreciate it. Take care. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here's a little bonus footage. The Cold Steel SRK. Oh, SK5. Yeah, we'll do some regular 550 paracord. Like butter. We'll even double it up. Oh, I messed up because it was so short. Now this, a little bit thicker of a rope. Like butter. Hesitated a little bit, but I did it. Oh, the wind. I got the fan going. So. She's a sharp one. Great knife. Real great knife. I recommend this knife. Of course, I gotta put a lanyard on everything. Get your lanyard nice and tight. Just one more thing. Check for a rattle here after it's all buttoned up. No rattle, no nothing. On the back, just pull it right off your belt. It's even got a little button there too for added security. This was under $50, guys. You know, and I've seen it in other places for under 45. And I seen it and I said, I paid just a little over 45. But I seen it for a little under, and I'm like, well, it's worth it, you know. So I don't mind paying a little bit more. Different sites, they, you know, cost different. But alright, guys, thank you very much for watching. Appreciate it. Have a good day. Be safe. Hey, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate. Hey, thank you girls for. Oh man, I forgot. Oh.